Welcome back to Auto Show Cars. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW 7 Series, a luxury sedan that blends cutting-edge tech, bold styling, and thrilling performance. If you're into elegance with attitude, this one's worth your full attention. The 2025 7 Series is not just a refresh, it's a bold statement. At first glance, the front end grabs you, with that oversized kidney grille and sleek, split headlight design that screams modern sophistication. BMW has given it a more aggressive stance, yet it still maintains the refined aura the 7 Series has always been known for. Under the hood, you've got options. The base model comes with a turbocharged inline-6 engine pushing out impressive horsepower, but for those craving more power, the V8 and plug-in hybrid variants deliver both speed and efficiency. And let's not forget the i7, the fully electric version, offering silent luxury and instant torque with up to 650 horsepower, depending on the model. Inside, it's pure luxury. You're welcomed by premium materials, soft leather, and a wraparound digital experience. The curved display stretches across the dash, merging a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. It's clean, intuitive, and powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system. Voice commands, gesture controls, it's all here. Rear seat passengers, they're in for a treat. The optional 31-inch BMW theater screen folds down from the roof, turning the back seat into a mobile cinema. Add in massaging seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof, and you're in first-class comfort. Driving the 7 Series is an experience of its own. It glides over rough roads with air suspension and adaptive dampers doing all the work. Rear-wheel steering makes tight turns effortless, and the advanced driver assistance tech keeps you safe and confident. BMW hasn't just built a car, they've created a flagship that challenges expectations. The 2025 7 Series proves that luxury, technology, and performance don't have to be separate worlds. Whether you go for the powerful gas models or the electrifying i7, you're getting a vehicle that leads the pack. That's it for today's feature on the 2025 BMW 7 Series. If you enjoyed this look, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Show Cars for more high-end reviews, coming your way every week.